In today's digital age, starting a lucrative side hustle has never been easier. Enter the world of AI-powered sticker design and sales, a creative venture that's taking the e-commerce world by storm. The AI advantage. Gone are the days when artistic skills were a prerequisite for creating eye-catching designs. With cutting-edge AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT, anyone can become a sticker designer overnight. Midjourney transforms your text prompts into stunning visuals, while ChatGPT serves as your personal idea generator, offering endless design concepts. The potential for profit in this niche is staggering. Some savvy entrepreneurs are raking in up to $34,650 per month on platforms like Etsy, proving that sticker sales can be a serious moneymaker. So, you've got your designs ready? Now let's talk about production options. You can go the DIY approach. Use a home printer with sticker paper and an electronic cutting machine. Or if you prefer a more hands-off method, partner with print-on-demand services for hassle-free production. Alright, shipping, it's gotta be simple, right? Invest in rigid mailers for protection, and streamline your process with high-quality printers like the Epson EcoTank Pro for labels and packing slips. Ready to turn your creativity into cash? Here's a step-by-step guide to kickstart your AI-powered sticker business. First, brainstorm niche ideas using ChatGPT. Then, generate unique designs with Midjourney. Next, set up an Etsy shop or explore other e-commerce platforms. Choose your production method, whether it's DIY or print-on-demand. Implement efficient shipping processes, and of course, market your stickers on social media platforms. With dedication and the right AI tools, you could be on your way to building a thriving sticker empire. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Seize it now. Please subscribe for more great Moneymaker Minutes.